To fix the packet burst issue in Black Ops, start by accessing the game's settings, which can be found by clicking on the settings icon located at the top right of the menu tab. From there, navigate to the Graphics tab and ensure that the Display tab is selected, usually the default option on the left. Within the Display tab, find the Restart Shaders Preloading option. Click on it, and confirm the action by selecting Restart in the subsequent pop-up, which will delete the shader cache and restart preloading. Note that this change will only take effect after restarting the game. After completing the restart process, relaunch the game to see if the issue has been resolved. If the problem persists, a more drastic measure can be taken. Shut down the computer or console by holding down the power button, which will clear the entire memory and cache. Wait for about a minute before restarting the device and launching the game again to check if the packet burst issue has been resolved. This method has been effective for many players, and hopefully, it will work for you as well.